Making some damper to cook in the oven on the way out. So, got everything ready. Need the butter in. You need 4 ingredients: butter, self-raising flour, milk, and a bit of sugar. Not pancakes, making damper.
What?
Damper.
What?
Damper. Damper. Sound like that bloke off the movie last night. What? We're making, not damper pancakes, damper. We're going to cook it in the oven on the way out.
Those pancakes aren't bad.
Alright, just need to put milk in. Voila. Now we need some bacon paper. Just put a little crust on the top. And then you've got a pastry brush.
Somewhere.
And we're going to put it in the oven. And this just makes it not wrecked when you cook it. I can't think of the word you're really after, but
It browns it. Gives it a nice crispy top.
oh, that's a lot.
Hello, Vera.
Righto. Go like that. And add some shoes on. I'll be able to take it straight out to the oven. Oven's preheating. Oh, it's warm, yep. Alright. Beautiful. I may need something to lift that up because that's quite hot.
Got a paper towel? Up the back.
That into a preheated oven. Boom. Oh. 180 degrees for half an hour or till golden brown. Just checking the damper, see how it's going. We just sort of stopped it. Ooh. It's looking good. Not too bad. Another 15-20 minutes we should be right.
Oh, something smells really good. Like a mixture of golden syrup and do you want a serrated knife?
Yeah.
Is that what you can smell?
Oh. There you go.
Oh, that was close.
How does that look?
That looks good.
Righto.
No, I was just getting flat. I couldn't figure out why. Yeah, it is. That's the problem. It's not like a conventional oven where you have a lot more heat on top. But yeah.
Like a fan forced.
No. But even yeah.
Rodney, I stuck my finger in it.
Oh, that's all right. Thank you.
Oh, there
Yeah,
goes the
babe.
bread. That wasn't me. Yeah,
Getting it.
How's your damper, Layla? Alice, did you like your damper?
Yeah.
Is it delicious? Yes? Hello, Vera. Do you like your damper? Is it yummy? Yes.